How to turn off safe chat on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a Roblox application if you have installed in your device. If not, open up a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. You'll be launched into your Roblox account. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in. To turn off the safe chat on your Roblox, it is much more easier than you think. Firstly, once you have logged in into your Roblox, in your left-hand side, click on the More option. From here, select on the Settings icon. Tap on the option of Privacy firstly. Under Communication, make sure that you have on or activated the communication first and foremost. Set it on Custom or Default. Then, in Who Can Message Me or Who Can Text Chat with Me on the app, set it to Friends or set it on Everyone. Once you do this, everyone will be allowed to send you a chat. Next, click on the Account Info. From here, verify your birthday. To that, tap on Verify My Age and scan the QR code with a valid ID. Make sure you can use your driver's license, password, ID card, or even your residence proof. Once you have verified your age as above 18, you'll be able to turn off your safe chat on Roblox automatically. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.